Hi, so today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. So I feel like I'm really blown out in the viewfinder right now, like a glare from my glasses, so we're just going to ignore all that. Okay. This is going to be a try-on video as well, so I need to put the first product on. Before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. And you can follow me on my makeup related Instagram. All that stuff is always down below. Let's just dive right in. So the first product, I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see this because of how blown out I am. It is a Wander Beauty, I believe. Is it Wander Beauty? Yes, it is. It's a Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. We're gonna put this on. Oh, this looks so similar to a product we got in last month's box. Ooh, it's pink. Oh my goodness, that is very pretty. I have no idea if this is supposed to even go under makeup. I don't know if it's a primer. Okay, all it says is that you put it on your face until it's absorbed. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna use this as kind of like a moisturizer because I didn't moisturize my face after I showered. Oh, and if you're wondering where I am at my mom's house. So yeah, this was like my room in my mom's house. So this sinks in pretty quickly, but it feels good. It doesn't feel super hydrated though, and it is like a teeny bit tacky. So I don't know, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. This glare from my glasses is probably so distracting. What if I go like this? Is that better? Okay, maybe I should move the camera. Is that better? Yeah, I feel like that's better. Okay, so I'm just gonna be a little dark over here because I have no light to kind of counteract the window light, so you don't even care. Whatever. Okay, so we are primed. I'm gonna put my base on and then get right back into the Boxycharm portion of this Boxycharm unboxing video. Oh wait, I'm like so razzled right now or something. Frazzled. I'm so oh my god, frazzled. So this month's box is called Totally Boxycharm. So I think it's like kind of like a 90s vibe sort of thing. So the product I just put on my face, that was the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, that retails for $42. So the price of the box is $21 a month. So you're basically getting, you know, almost 2 boxes for the price of that one product. FYI. I do have a referral link down below. I think if you click that link, I get free stuff, you get free stuff. It's not like money, but free stuff is always nice. All right, I'm gonna put my base on, be right back. Okay, I'm back. I put a little bit of foundation on. I just used the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the shade Porcelain. This stuff is so good and it's so easy to blend out, and this shade I feel like matches me really, really well, that it doesn't even like look like foundation, you know what I mean? So next thing in the box is going to be this Becca product. So this is called the Hydra Mist Satin Refresh Powder, and I haven't tried this, or okay, I lied. I haven't tried this before getting it in Boxycharm, but I have tried it before this video, if that makes sense. So I got the shade, I'm assuming it's the translucent shade. Am I too high? Is that better? I can get this freaking... Okay. So it's this... I'm assuming... It doesn't say a shade, but it's the lighter of the 2 shades. I know that they have like a darker thing. And the packaging, you just kind of flip this up and the product is in here. This is the coolest freaking powder that I've ever used. So I don't know if you've ever seen like reviews on it, but it literally feels like you're applying wet like product to your face, but it's not. It's a powder. It's the weirdest freaking thing I've ever felt in my life. Like, it's so strange to me. But I did wear it like for a very long time the other day, and it kept me pretty matte. By like hour 11, 12, 13, you know, on and on, I was getting a little bit oily around my nose, but the rest of my face looked pretty good. So yeah, and I like the packaging on this as well. That product retails for $39. So this box this month is so far pretty good. It feels so smooth on the skin. I'm very excited to have that product. All right, moving right along. So I think what I'm going to do next, I'm going to do a little bit of eyeshadow. So I have these two Ace Beauty eyeshadows. These are called the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow. This is the shade Huckleberry, and then this is the shade French Vanilla. So I have not even opened these yet. I will say right off the bat, this packaging looks like ColourPop. Just, it's the elephant in the room. It looks like ColourPop. ColourPop is obviously white, but this is pink. I mean, it just, the packaging is, it's pretty similar. Okay, so we're gonna do a little swatch of these first. I'm curious about the formula. Feels pretty much like a Super Shock shadow. There is like a little bit of a design though, if you can tell. It's different. Ooh, it's so pretty. All right. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty similar. All right, so we have like a burgundy wine color and a silver. So I think what I'm gonna do is just put the burgundy wine all over the lid and blend that in to my crease, and then I'll put a little bit of a topper or maybe like an inner corner highlight of the silver. I think I'm gonna go with the inner corner highlight. So I'm just gonna fast forward that part because I feel like you don't need to see that. I feel like this shade is very pretty, but I definitely need to blend it a little bit. Okay, so you can definitely make this a little bit more wearable as well, because the more that I blend, the less intense like that burgundy shade is. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. And we're gonna take this other shade, the silver, and I'm gonna do a little bit in the inner corner. Ooh, that's pretty vibrant, I have to say. Ooh, I like that one. Not sure this is my best look, but those shadows retail for $25. I'm not sure if it's as a set or if like individually they retail for $25 or them together retail, I don't know. But yeah, 25 bucks. So I thought this was an eyeliner, but it's actually a lip pencil. So we're gonna just move on to the next product. So this is the Big Ego by Tarte mascara. And I've never tried this before. Ooh, it's pretty. That is so similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara wand. Alright, wait, I have that with me, so I'm actually gonna show you. Oh yeah, that's very, very similar. That's pretty goddamn similar if I do say so myself. And the packaging is like, Too Faced is a little bit heavier, I think. We're gonna do a couple coats. Feels a little dry. Just gonna put it back in. I'm not a huge fan of the scent. Alright, I think that's all I'm gonna do for today, because I'm not going anywhere and I just don't want to waste mascara. But I like it. I feel like I put a lot on and it didn't get clumpy, so that's a good thing. The mascara retails for $23, so this box is very, very valuable this month. And we only have, what, one thing left? Yeah. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup really quickly and then I'll be right back. The last thing in the box is this Steve Laurent? I don't know. It's this lip liner in the shade Vogue. I cannot get this open. I have no idea. I think this is going to be a horrible color for me. Alright, so this looks like it's like a brown, yeah. This is like a red brown shade. I'm not sure that this is going to be the most flattering on me, but we'll try. It's kind of falling apart. Isn't it brown? No. I'm gonna fill in my whole lip. I don't mind it. I think the color is a little bit more red than brown. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Bite Beauty lipstick, and this is in the shade Mascarpone. I'm just gonna put that in the center. It's like one of my favorite formulas. That looks really good actually. So that lip liner retailed for $15. So I will put the total box value on the screen somewhere. I don't know where. But yeah, so that is everything that I got in this month's Boxycharm. If you're interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, that link is down below. You don't have to use it, obviously. You could just Google it. But if you wanted free stuff, I think I can get you free stuff. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.